Vegas Vegan Culinary is inviting you to all you food lovers to come indulge their taste buds this weekend. It's a celebration of vegan cuisine.
It absolutely
vegan
is.
cuisine. Joining me now with more live in studio here, Shabnam Islam. Thank you. Thanks for bringing the goods. Before we get to all these exquisite dishes, you're talking about some great cooking classes that you're taking part in here, that you're introducing people to. What can we expect?
This is awesome. Vegas Vegan Culinary was created in 2021 by Heather Heath, and this is a plant-based restaurant that is designed to bring plant-based foods to the community and also save rescue dogs from the Korean dog meat trade.
Interesting.
And so what we're trying to do is save Vegas Vegan from closing.
Okay.
And so we're putting on a weekend of cooking classes with Chef Vegan Chris Tucker
Yep.
and Chef Babette Davis, icon, who is the owner of Stuff I Eat Inglewood. They're flying in from LA to put on this amazing event where we cook for you guys,
Yep.
we dine with you guys, and we then enjoy a 3-course meal that we created with you guys in the kitchen.
We're seeing some of the vegan chef superstars on
Very-
display here. So what'd you bring with you? What do we got here? Run me through the plethora of
Absolutely.
I'm going to go out on a limb here and just assume these are all plant-based
They're
foods.
all plant-based
What?
foods.
No way.
Which, has great health benefits with all the taste. So what we see here is a sausage egg, vegan egg burrito. What we have here is a chickpea burrito.
Yeah.
I don't remember what's exactly in it. It's a little buffalo chickpea,
Not
exactly
meat.
what it is. Not
I can tell you
meat.
that.
With a nice side of potato salad. Then we've got a bologna sandwich. I don't even know how to say it because
Bologna, but come on.
I haven't eaten it
if
in
you haven't
so
eaten
long.
bologna, you have bologna.
But
Yeah.
you would not be able to tell the difference. And then here we have an eggless egg sandwich. And all of this you get to try when you come into this event. You're gonna have a plethora of hors d'oeuvres and tasting tables and a grazing table that has all of these foods. And what we're going to make right here is this chicken parm.
Chickenless.
Chicken, but a crusted chicken parm. But the thing is here, you get the chicken flavor, taste, texture, without all of the negative health benefits. And so you get 17 grams of protein, over 20% of fiber, plus all the bang for your buck in terms of flavor.
All right, I got to ask you. Well, first of all, let me ask you got a favorite one here? One that you're most excited about? Yeah?
The one that we're actually cooking. I'm so excited about it. Meaty Foods has created a fully plant-based, made from mushroom root. I mean, this is a complete protein. You get all of your essential amino acids in this one plate of food.
So I don't have any utensils, but I'm going to bite into that.
Please do.
And give my assessment here. But I want you,
Are you gonna touch it
while I'm eating here with my fingers, shame on me, I know, Mom.
This is how you do it. I'm Beshi.
But I need to know. All right, give me the sales pitch. Someone like me, a meat lover, comes up to you and says, what should I be doing? Where do I start to maybe introduce a little more meatless into my diet, a little more vegan into my diet?
Oh my God.
Go ahead. I want, as I'm digging in here, I want you to give me the sales
We're seeing
pitch.
an increase in diabetes, heart disease, cardiovascular disease, and even colon rectal cancer for people aged 50 and younger. Men, that is the leading cause of cancer deaths for men aged 50 and younger, and the second leading cause of cancer deaths for women secondary to breast cancer, now 50 and younger, because of the associated foods that we're eating. High in saturated fat, low in fiber. And that is the opposing thing that you get here with plant-based foods. We get low in saturated fat, high in fiber, all of the plant-based benefits, and what do you think?
It's delicious. It's delicious. And here's the deal. You can check it out. Vegas Vegan Culinary is doing it all. Where can people, do you need to register?
You do need to register.
What site?
There's
Website?
a QR code on vegasveganculinary.com. You can get our Eventbrite tickets on all of our socials that you can see right there. Scan it with your phone on Dr. Shabnam Islam, Chef Babette, Vegan Chef Chris Tucker, or Vegas Vegan Culinary. Tickets are only $60 a piece, and you get a full 2-hour event of dining, wining, and as you can see what Evan's doing here. Enjoying.
Shame on me for eating with my fingers. My apologies. Shabnam, thank you for being here.
Thank you for having us, and we hope to see you this weekend.
We'll be right back after this.